Hey everyone, Storm Shield Meteorologist Jason Myers here. Hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. I know I did. I got to see some fireworks, spend some time with the family, and I hope you were able to do the same, or at least enjoy it, despite the fact Hurricane Arthur was moving up the East Coast and throughout the Northeast on Friday and a little bit on Saturday, but mostly Friday. It kind of put a damper on things. And then yesterday, a lot of tornadoes in parts of Iowa, 13 of them. In all, take a look at this. All these tornado reports throughout Iowa and in a relatively small area, also some strong winds in parts of South Dakota right there. And today, the severe weather threat is a little more widespread, covering the Central Plains through the Midwest and into the Northeast. The biggest threat is going to be some large hail. It looks like about a 30% chance in southeast Nebraska. Strong winds are also a threat. That threat is a little more widespread, covering Nebraska, Missouri, and Kansas, and another spot is at risk in Pennsylvania and New York. And tornadoes, while a small risk, there are 3 different spots that have a little bit higher risk than everybody else. Eastern New York and part of Vermont, and we head a little farther to the west, that southeastern corner of Nebraska again, and then it looks like southern Minnesota as well as western Wisconsin, looking at that possibility for some tornadoes. So everybody needs to keep an extra close eye on the weather during the day today and even tonight, which is why it's good to have Storm Shield, because Storm Shield could wake you up in case a tornado moves through late in the night. Here's what the models are saying right now. You'll notice we'll see a boundary developing through the Northeast and the Midwest. And then out ahead of a low pressure system, we're seeing some storms developing in parts of the Central Plains and the upper Midwest. Here we are heading into the afternoon and the evening hours, those storms really forming. This is why I think we'll see some strong winds and possibly some large hail with this line of storms. Whenever you see a line of storms, that's when you have a better chance to see those really strong winds. Storms developing in parts of Nebraska and Iowa later tonight, and these will persist throughout the overnight hours. So again, if you head to bed, good to have Storm Shield on you. That way it can wake you up if there is any severe weather for you. I'll keep a close eye on things for you and keep you updated on Twitter and our Facebook pages. Please like and follow us on those spots there. And in the meantime, be safe, and I'll see you next time.